Welcome to the physics classes. So, last class we have discussed about application of echo and sonar. Then we have seen some audible and inaudible sounds. We have classified the sounds into three categories: infrasonic vibrations, ultrasonic vibrations, and sonic vibrations. And today we are going to discuss about 2 points, the last portion of our chapter. First one, speed of sound in different media, and the last one is noise pollution. Noise pollution. So, first we have to discuss about speed of sound. Speed of sound in a different media or medium and solid liquid gases is depending upon 2 points. What are the 2 points which controls? First one, elasticity, and the second one is density. Elasticity and density. What is elasticity of an object or of a molecule, substance, medium? Elasticity means that is the characteristics of a medium or a material to regain its shape after stretching or compressing. Elasticity is the characteristic of a subject or an object when or in order to or it is regaining its shape when it is compressed or stretched. Can you say some examples from our daily life? First one, rubber band is familiar to you. A rubber band can be stretched. As we are leaving from our hands, it will regain its previous shape. Example of elasticity. Or spring is familiar to spring. If you compress it, if you leave, then again spring will be regaining the old shape or old length. So this property of the material to regain the shape after stretching or compressing is known as elasticity. So elasticity is more means what? The molecules or the speed of sound also will be more. As we know that sound is traveling in a form of wave, and when the wave is going from one layer to the another layer, if the molecules are having more elasticity or flexibility, the vibrations will be a little more faster and they will come back to the mean position. There is no need of spending more amount of energy for that. So the speed of sound will be more. The second one is density. What is density? The number of molecules in given area is called density. The number of molecules in given area is called density. So how the density controls? If the density is more, the speed also will be more. For example, when you people are sitting in a class, you are sitting together, that means in all every benches there are two persons or 3 persons are there. You can pass a piece of paper or a notebook very fastly from one to another. And if you are sitting only 2 each, then it will take a little more time. If the center row is vacant and if you are sitting here and there, you have to throw and you have to catch, it will take more time. That means speed of the transfer is going to be decreased. Just like that, when the density is more, very fastly the sound can be transferred from one point to the another point. And when the density is less, the sound will take more time to transfer. That means speed is going to be reduced. So depending upon these characteristics, we can say that the speed of the sound is maximum in solids, while the density of solid state is very high. And the speed of sound will be just decreased when it comes to liquid state, and it will be least when it comes to gaseous state. As we know, gases are having the minimum density. They are very far apart. So the speed of sound is maximum in solids and minimum in gases. And in solids also, the speed of sound is different from the different materials depending upon elasticity and density. In page number 83, there are one table is given. The speed in gold, the solid is the speed of sound is 3,240 meter per second, where in steel it is 4,880 meter per second. See the difference. So when the materials or when the solids are changing, the speed is changing. When the liquids are changing, the speed is keep changing. And when the gases are also changing, the speed will be having a small variation. And the speed of sound is also depending upon pressure, speed of the fluid medium, and temperature and humidity. Now when the temperature is giving, or when it is summer season, what happens? The molecules are having more energy. Heat is a form of energy. Already heat energy is received by the molecules, and again when we are giving some more energy, sound is also a form of energy. So the summer season sound will be traveling faster. And the fluidity means what? Wind. If the wind is opposite, what will happen? The speed of sound will be reduced. Wind is in the same direction of the sound will have more faster. So these are the factors which controls speed of sound. So keep it in mind, speed of sound is depending upon elasticity and density of the given medium. Now, in your textbook page number 83, some activities are given. The first one, we have to prove that sound travels faster in solid compared with the air. So what we have to do? Suppose when we are sitting in a table, you just knock on the table with your finger. Very smoothly, you just touch it on the table. Through the air, are you able to hear any sound? You will not be able to hear any sound. The same time, if your friend is keeping the ear on the table, then what will happen? That friend will be able to hear the sound which is traveling through the wood, solid. So solids are good transfers of, they are having the ability of the transferring sound very fast. Then again, there is one more activity. Suppose you take one full bucket of water and take two stones and dip your hand in the water and strike the stone between. Are you able to hear any sound? No. But if you are striking the same time, if you keep your ear on the side of the bucket, you will be able to hear the sound. That means air is a bucket, but the speed of sound is very least in air, but in liquid it is faster. So through the liquid, sound will be traveling faster and reaching to our ear. So from this, it is clear that sound travels faster in solids, less in liquids, and least in gases. Again, noise pollution. We know we are hearing so many sounds in a day. Some sounds are going to give a pleasant effect or pleasant feeling on us, and some sounds are very not at all pleasant. That means we are going to get irritated. Some sounds are very irritating one. So if the sound what we are listening is irritating you, then we can say that it is called noise or noise pollution. Noise or noise pollution. For example, when I am taking class, when you people are sitting in the class, only I am talking, you will be able to hear only my tone or my sound wave, and you are comfortable even if you are sitting in 30 minutes class. Am I correct? Yes. Now, when teacher is not here, what you people will do? Suddenly you all will start talking. If all are shouting, are we able to sit comfortably in the class? We will not be able to sit comfortably. That means very loud sounds and very huge noises and mixing sounds will produce some irritation feeling in our body or in our aura. Or whether a program is going on, sitting near to the speaker for a long time, will it give a pleasant feeling to you? No. Or when the police vehicle or the ambulance are running siren, are you able to hear that sound, that siren sound for 5 minutes or 10 minutes? No, it is going to produce some headache or some concentration level is going to be reduced, etc. When the class is going on, some pujas or something is going on from outside, the speakers are kept on for a long time. Are you able to listen to the class? Are you able to understand anything? No. When the exam comes, we used to say our younger brothers that don't make sound, don't switch on the TV because these sounds are going to take our concentration. So, noise pollution means the level of sound which has a harmful effect on people. The level of sound which is having a harmful effect on a people is called noise pollution. See, that's why when near to the schools and all, the government has already banned horn. Horn of the vehicle is banned. Or near to the hospitals, the horn is banned. Even in the hospital, many patients are there. They should get physical and mental comfortness they should get. So when huge sounds are there, they are not at all comfortable. They are already physically they are down, and if they are hearing a large sound for a long time, again it is going to cause some depression on them. That's why some hospitals they have fixed the visiting time for the others to visit the patients, maybe morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours, so that a good atmosphere can be kept in the hospital. So it is very necessary that we have to reduce the noise pollution. Okay, so this is about our chapter. So what is the homework? You have to find all the answers of your exercise up to think and answer, and you have to complete your copy. Okay, thank you.